Hi, it's Dr. Hunter from over at Wills. People often ask us, is chiropractic safe for the whole family? And the answer is yes, but not everybody receives the same type of treatment. So most people are used to a standard adult adjustment with a drop table. Very nice. Now, if I was to use that same force with our baby, it would be a little excessive. Instead, we'd use the light impulse of something like an activator. Subtle enough for babies and adults. Likewise, for our elderly patients, we wouldn't want to use a lot of excessive force. Instead, we'd be more prone to using something a little bit more subtle, like an arthro stim. Thanks.